Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of digital marketing, specifically focusing on SEO. We'll be exploring SEO from a beginner's perspective all the way up to advanced level, so buckle up and let's get started. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial aspect of digital marketing that helps websites rank higher in search engine results pages. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can attract more organic traffic and improve your online visibility. For beginners, it's essential to understand the basics of SEO. Start by conducting keyword research to identify the terms and phrases your target audience is searching for. Then, incorporate these keywords into your website's content, meta tags, and URLs. Next, focus on improving your website's user experience. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and is easy to navigate. User experience is a significant ranking factor, so don't overlook this aspect. Now, let's move on to advanced SEO techniques. One of the most important aspects is content marketing. Create high-quality, informative content that provides value to your audience. This will not only improve your search engine rankings, but also help you build a loyal following. Another crucial aspect is link building. Reach out to other websites in your industry and ask them to link to your content. This will help improve your website's authority and credibility in the eyes of search engines. Lastly, keep an eye on your website's performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's traffic, engagement, and conversions. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to SEO from beginner to advanced level. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so keep learning, experimenting, and optimizing your website for the best results. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of digital marketing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech savvy.